This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 30 Creativity, Critical Thinking and Problem Solving. In this session, viewers learned about critical thinking and problem solving techniques that are essential for making reasoned judgments and decisions. Critical thinking is defined as an analytical process that involves being skeptical yet open-minded, valuing rationality, evidence, and multiple perspectives to evaluate arguments and relationships. The critical thinking process involves gathering information, exploring possibilities, integrating different aspects, testing and revising ideas, and ultimately arriving at a decision through structured evaluation. To improve critical thinking skills, one should seek diverse ideas, discuss issues with stakeholders, challenge assumptions, ask probing questions, and develop reflective thinking abilities. Problem solving is a mental process of identifying, analyzing, and resolving issues to overcome obstacles and difficulties, which requires critical thinking and systematic analysis of the problem situation. For example, the problem-solving process involves defining the problem, gathering information, analyzing data, evaluating solutions, implementing the chosen solution, and iterating if needed to address root causes. Various teaching methods like group discussions, case studies, simulations, and structured exercises are used to foster critical thinking and problem-solving abilities in students, as these skills are crucial for success. Critical thinkers are active users of information, utilizing it to find solutions to their problems rather than being passive recipients. Both the logical and intuitive parts of the brain are involved in critical thinking and problem-solving activities, as these tasks require a combination of rational and creative thinking. In summary, critical thinking aids reasoned judgments, while problem-solving involves systematic analysis to find solutions, and both processes require open-mindedness, questioning assumptions, and leveraging logical and creative thinking abilities. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.